Hello, high-value males. Welcome to another episode of EuroTrip, where we explore the hidden gems of Europe. Today, we're going to talk about Andorra, one of the smallest and most overlooked countries in the continent, but don't let its size fool you. Andorra has a lot to offer, from its rich history and culture to its stunning nature and attractions. So buckle up and join me as we discover the secrets of this tiny nation. Andorra is located in the Pyrenees Mountains between France and Spain. It covers an area of only 468 square kilometers, which is about the size of Washington, D.C. It has a population of around 77,000 people, making it the 16th smallest country in the world by population. Andorra is also one of the oldest countries in Europe, dating back to the 9th century, when it was created as a buffer state between the Frankish and Muslim empires. It has maintained its independence ever since, despite being surrounded by larger and more powerful neighbours. But what about the attractions, you may ask? Well, Andorra has plenty of those too. You can visit the capital city, Andorra la Vella, which is the highest capital in Europe, at an elevation of 1,023 meters. You can explore the old town with its medieval churches, stone houses, and narrow streets. You can also shop till you drop, as Andorra has a lot of duty-free stores selling everything from electronics to perfumes. You can also check out the Caldea Thermal Spa, which is the largest in Europe, and enjoy the hot springs, saunas, and massages. Andorra la Vella is a city that combines tradition and modernity and offers something for everyone. Andorra also has a lot of cultural and historical attractions, such as the Casa de la Vall, which is the seat of the parliament and the oldest building in the country. You can also visit the San Joan de Caseles Church, which is one of the best examples of Romanesque architecture in Andorra. You can also see the Madriu-Perafita-Claror Valley, which is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and represents the rural and pastoral life of Andorra. But how can you get in touch with the female in Andorra, you may ask? Well, that's a tricky question, as Andorra is not a very easy place to date. Andorra has a very low birth rate and a very high marriage rate, which means that there are not many single women available. Andorra also has a very conservative and traditional society, which means that women are not very open to casual relationships or hookups. Andorra also has a very small and close-knit community, which means that everyone knows everyone and gossip spreads fast. Andorra is a country where you have to be respectful, patient, and sincere if you want to win the heart of a woman. Thank you for watching this episode. If you enjoyed it, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to leave a comment below, telling us what you think about Andorra and what topics you want us to cover next. Until then, have a great day and happy travels.